Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us get the glowing effect for the oval shape only with CSS without writing any JavaScript. Before seeing the implementation, please subscribe if you have not already subscribed. I have created the index.html and oval.css file. Title for the web page is glow effect. Let me link the style sheet oval.css that I have already created. Coming to oval.css, let us define the properties for body by setting the display to flex, and we want the content on this web page to be at center both horizontally and vertically. So justify content to center, align items to center. Background color is set with HSL, hue being 210, saturation is 50% and lightness to 14%. Set the height for this body to 100 VH. As the property for this body is set, we can see that it is getting reflected in the preview window on my right side. Coming to the HTML, let us have the div class named as oval. Oval is the class for which we are going to bring the glowing effect. We will do this glowing effect only with CSS and there is no need to write any JavaScript. For the oval class, we will define the properties by having width to 300 pixel and height to 200 pixel. Height is set less than the width so that we will have the oval effect. If both height and width are same, we will get a circle effect. And set the border radius to 50%. Now we shall use a box shadow property. This box shadow will start giving the shadow effect for any of the shape that is preceding it. As we have made an oval shape, box shadow is applied on the oval shape. Inset will change the color from inside to outside. So inset takes X offset, Y offset, blurrer, and then the color. I have played around with 5 insets which will change the color from inside to outside, and 3 without inset which ensures color changes from outside to inside. We can see that it is getting reflected on the right side preview window. Let us see how it is looking in the web page. In my web page, I am going to refresh it. We are having the oval glowing effect which is done only with CSS without any JavaScript. Please subscribe to the channel and click like button.